We've just come through a very busy but very successful Welcome Week 2014. At this time, I'm going to let Nathan Becker tell you a little bit about what happened this past week.
Young people from all over the U.S., as far away as Oklahoma and Kansas, as far north as Pennsylvania, and right here in the state of Florida, came to the campus to stay here in the dorms, to eat in the cafeteria, to enjoy sports up at our sports recreation complex, and to actually even to do things like ride a horse out at Gethsemane Ranch, which is about 30 miles from this location. They got to experience what Hope Sound is all about. Yes, they did the activities. Sure, we had a good time together. The banquet was a lot of fun. But more importantly, they realized that Hope Sound is an absolutely friendly and welcoming place. I'm excited to report a few statistics to you. Over 69%, almost 70% of people who showed up here on campus for Welcome Week were either people who were high school seniors or were graduates, and they're ready to make a decision in 2014. I'm happy to tell you that I feel like Welcome Week 2014 was an absolute smashing success with the Lord's help and with many people working very long, diligent hours. I'm excited to tell you that we were able to talk to many young people about what they're going to do for college. One of the statistics that excites me the most is the fact that over 80% of young people that were surveyed in an exit interview said that they felt for sure that God was calling them here to Hope Sound. Even though some of them would like some time to think and pray about it, I'm encouraged at the results of Welcome Week 2014. Stay tuned. We're going to be talking more about this in the future.
Welcome Week is not the only event that's been taking place on our campus of late. Of course, back in December, we had the Singing Christmas Tree, very successful. You can watch that on the Internet archives. Also, our camp meeting took place in February. We had wonderful crowds, a wonderful sense of God's presence. We had our college homecoming during that time. Please feel free to check that out as well. HopeSoundBibleChurch.com. Check out the live webcasting archives, and you can see those services if you missed them. We just came through Welcome Week last week, as you know, and now we're gearing up for Choir Tour. April 16 through 27 will be our annual spring tour. Our choir will be heading out, going through the Carolinas, up into Pennsylvania, into Maryland, into Ohio, and it will also be in Indiana and Alabama. And if it's coming anywhere near you, we'd love to see you at one of those services. You can go to our website, hsbc.edu, and check out that itinerary. Please stop by and see us. We'd love to have you. Of course, the choir will also be singing at the Interchurch Holiness Convention in Dayton. We'd love to see you there as well. A couple of other news items we want to share with you. First of all, we just received word that Dr. Palacios, who is returning to our faculty, did in fact receive a Fulbright scholarship. And we are so proud to say that we have a man joining our faculty who is a Fulbright scholarship recipient. This means that he will delay his coming to Hope Sound for a year because he'll be teaching abroad for this coming year. And that will enrich his resume, enrich his repertoire of experiences that he can share with his students. We're very excited about that. Also, we are thrilled to announce that our accrediting association has approved our counseling program. So beginning next year, God willing, we will start providing a counseling program, a 2-year and a 4-year program where our students can receive a counseling degree. That is very exciting. Dr. Andrew Graham, one of our own graduates, has returned to teach here. He finished up his PhD at Liberty, and now he's launching this program for us, and we are so thrilled that God has made this possible. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Lord for His help financially as well. You know, finances are always tight around a Bible college, and Hope Sound is certainly no exception. The past few years have been particularly difficult, but we praise the Lord that He is helping us to close that budget gap, and some really exciting things have been happening of late. We want to thank you for your support, because I know it's many of you who have contributed to making that possible. One more thing. I hope you've enjoyed these video updates around the sound. If you have, you can check out past episodes on our website, hsbc.edu. Thank you so much for watching.